Hello and welcome to Brum Eco Racing. We're going to show you how to get to our area today. So we're outside the mechanical engineering building. We'll come along. Because of COVID, we can only go in the two entrances up there and not the two entrances there. They're for exits. Right, so here we are. We're inside. Please, it's a 2-metre rule. Wash your hands when you go in and keep face masks on when you're not with people from your household. Hygiene. So if you come down here, if you're in first year, you would have had first year lads down here on the left. Through there you can find EV Racing if you're familiar with them. And then in here, this is where the best racing team is kept, Brum Eco Racing. So come through here, past the Future Engine Lab. And then in here, G49, Brum Eco Racing. Come through, past CADSOC, past university stuff, past EBE Racing, and then in the corner, the best corner, you'll find Brum Eco Racing.